Hi, my name is Shena, and today we're cooking pumpkin or pumpkin Talkari. So when I was growing up, pumpkin was one of my favorite things to eat. Grandma asked me what I want, it was going to be pumpkin. So that's why today the star of the show is pumpkin or pumpkin Talkari. I had this crazy idea of writing a book, specifically about food. Why? Because I really love food. So I wrote my first book called Cook It Up A to Z, featuring Trinidad and Tobago and our local food. And guess who's in it? Pumpkin Talkari. So today we're gonna feature that. This is gonna be a very simple recipe. Right, we starting with oil, throw it in the pot, let that oil heat up, and then you'll throw in your garlic and brown it, right? Because you want a little bit of flavor in there. Sometimes I make this look real easy. It should be, but you know, could be hard for some. That's why we're keeping it simple today. So I throw in the garlic. Now I know others, some people put jeera, some people put onions, a little bit of seasoning, etc. But the way I see it, sometimes simple is best. Now we want it to get a little bit of color, not dark brown or anything, just a little bit of color, and then we'll put in the pumpkin, the star of the show. Ooh, okay, the garlic starting to brown. Truth be told, I use garlic for a lot of things. I drink garlic, cook with garlic, eat garlic, garlic for almost everything. Oh, nice. We're coming in good. Here we go. I'll put a little more oil on it. All right, you stir this up. I'll put a little salt in there, a little pinch of salt. The old school way with my fingers. I'll bring out the water, bring out the flavor. And then we'll have to let it sit. Cover it up, let that water and juice come out and simmer. I checked it at 5 minutes. It's now been about 20 minutes. Oh, look at the bubble. It's come together. The water came out. Looking good. All right, so now it's time. Now it's time for the secret ingredient. Don't tell anyone, okay? The brown sugar. That's where it's at. So a little bit of brown sugar to taste. Nothing much, nothing crazy. And then if it's not good enough, put a little more. But for now, we'll stick with that. So half a teaspoon. Mix it up. Yes. All right, I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna taste. A little more sugar. See, this is how we do it at home anyway. You put and put until it's satisfying. we're there. And so we're done. Nothing left. The pumpkin is solid. So I'll turn off the stove and I'll plate. So an easy dish to make. Your pumpkin, your garlic, salt, oil, and if you prefer, a little bit of sugar to taste. Best. This reminded me of home. And Cook It Up A to Z will remind you of home as well. It's a book about food, our travels, culture, and to take a little bit of that with you no matter where you are in the world.